The benefits of anardana, or dried pomegranate seeds, can be attributed to its rich nutritional profile and bioactive compounds. Remember to store anardana in an airtight container in a cool, dry place to preserve its flavor and nutritional benefits. While anardana can enhance the taste and nutrition of various dishes, it's important to use it in moderation as part of a well-balanced diet. Kokum fruit, scientifically known as Garcinia indica, offers several health benefits due to its rich nutritional profile and bioactive compounds. Nigella seeds, also known as black cumin or kalonji, offer several health benefits backed by scientific research. These small black seeds are rich in antioxidants and have been found to have anti-inflammatory properties. Studies have shown that consuming Nigella seeds may help lower blood sugar levels and improve cholesterol levels, making them beneficial for individuals with diabetes or heart disease.